So back in our Node.js application or in our project here, I want to install Mongoose. It's a third-party package, and we would have to install the default MongoDB driver too if we wanted to use that, but I want to use Mongoose. So what I will need to install is the Mongoose package. I do this by running npm install and then --save to save it as a production dependency in the package.json file to create an entry there. Whoops, Mongoose is the name. This will pull down Mongoose and install it in our project so that we can use it. With the installation finished here, again ignore any warnings you might get. With that finished, you see in the package.json, Mongoose was added here. So now we're good to use Mongoose. How do we use it then? The first step is we need to connect our app to Mongoose. We do this in the app.js file, so in every request we want to connect to the database. Here I will create a new variable named Mongoose, and I will require the Mongoose package. So I'm basically pointing to this Mongoose package we just installed. Now in order to connect to it on each request, I can now execute Mongoose connect like this. With this connect function, we will establish a connection, but of course we need to tell it where the Mongoose server lives. We do so by specifying the path here. Now the path is something we can figure out by having a look at our running Mongo server. When starting it up, you see some general information about the path up here. You see that the port is 27017 and the path is, since it is running on our machine, localhost. So the domain is localhost. So here we connect to localhost 27017 and then you add a slash and the name of the database you want to use. You can add a database you haven't created yet because it will be created for you on the fly. So Node Angular is the one I will use throughout this project, and you may specify it like this, it should work. With that, we're connecting to our MongoDB server through our Node.js application using this Mongoose package. Now Mongoose is there for more than just connecting, as you will learn, but this is the first basic step to later be able to actually perform database operations.